Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to do simple container gardening. What you have to do is just select materials that you have to use for your container designs. So what I have over here, it's a clay pot. I already installed the soil. Just select an all-purpose potting soil. I have over here is a potting mix, and you can also amend your potting soil by adding some cocoa fiber. If you travel a lot, if you're gone a lot, you could add this cocoa fiber to retain water, because this cocoa peat is good for water retention. So I have some perlites to it already mixed to it. That makes sure your pot has drainage holes. Otherwise, if you don't have any drainage holes to your pots, plants will be suffocated, you know, due to stagnant water. You can select motif you want. If you want to put this in an entryway, you can select different kinds of materials. If you want to put outside your patio next to a kitchen, maybe citrus trees or any fruit trees, you could use to incorporate into your container garden. So what I would like to recommend to you, maybe you could use a banana. You can even use a canna. It provides an instant beauty to your container gardening. You could also use a hydrangea shrub. This will provide you also an instant beauty to your container garden. If you're having some parties, select one that's already beautiful, nice, like this hydrangea. Now you have an instant beauty to your container gardening. You can also select this Wilma Goldcrest cypress. This emits with a lemony fragrance on the leaves. Okay, and also this is lime color. And then there you go. Loosen the roots to prevent from entanglement. Okay, there you go. So I think I'm ready to plant this cypress. Okay, so just put it in the center. Then add with this potting mix that I have over here. So I'll just add it around the plant. Okay. All right. I think that's good enough. Okay, and then press the soil around it. Okay. All right. So I think that's done. But if you are looking to add more elements to it, maybe add some succulents to it. Maybe you could add it over here and over here. Doing container gardening is an expression of your creativity. So add more, so also add white stones to it, and it will add more added depth to your container gardening. Isn't that pretty? And if you want to add more elements to it, what I have over here is some glass balls that I could use. Okay, and then to have an instant beauty to your container gardening. This is the finished product. This is a simple container gardening. It's simple, but it's beautiful. And simplicity is beauty. And the material that's used for this particular container gardening is just a beautiful pot and a simple plant material. And the plant material that's used is a geranium. This is another simple container gardening. A canna is being used and some succulents is used. This is another simple way of making a container gardening is just by using a nice pot and then using simple plant materials. And in this particular container gardening, different kinds of petunias are used. There's yellow, red, blue colors on it. So when making an interior container gardening and you love Asian art, what I recommend to you is to match also an Asian pot like this one over here, and then a queen palm is used as a plant material, and then just put the original part of this plant, and then what you have to do is to add some gravel or stones, and then maybe some glass ball. And same thing on this side over here. You could also use another Asian pot container. Fig tree or a fiddle leaf tree is used as a plant material for this container gardening. You could use stones and also some glass balls that you could use, give accent to your interior container gardening. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all.